In this video, I'll show you how to remove and replace a front grille on a Nissan Maxima. Open the hood and remove these 4 clips holding this plastic shield to the front cover. You can use a flathead screwdriver, or you can use a tool that's kind of created for this, and it's a little awkward there, but that's how you do it. Just squeeze the tab. We'll put a flathead screwdriver in there. And then I'm going to remove these back 4 tabs all the way across. Same procedure as the front. Flathead screwdriver or a body tool. Now you can lift that cover up and out of the way. If you follow the line of the bumper cover right here to the fender well, there's a 10mm bolt that's attached to a bumper bracket. There's one here and one on the other side, identical 10mm socket or wrench, and you're going to remove that. Now from under the vehicle, you're going to find the bumper cover to go all the way over to the tires, and we're going to disconnect anything that connects underneath straight across. They should be identical on both sides, so that's probably 2 or 3 Phillips head screws, starting at the wheel well and going forward. So one there, used to be one there. Then all these clips going straight across. From inside each front fender well, you're going to follow that bumper cover up, and here's the inside liner, the flare liner, and you're going to pull that and get that a little bit out of the way, and you'll see a mounting screw right here, 10mm socket. You're going to do the exact same one on the other side. Now from standing in the front of the vehicle, I'm going to hold my right hand holding that whole bumper cover, and I'm going to reach down and grab the inside fender flare part of this bumper cover and pull it out. Just like that. I'm going to go to the other side and do the same thing. Let's lift up on it. So you got to pull these pieces out of those little guide pins right there. If you have fog lights, at this point you'd have to disconnect the fog lights harnesses from the fog light assemblies. So this piece goes between the headlight and the fender. Just sits right in there like that. And then the bumper piece will come up and match it. Okay, so I rested it up here on the engine cradle. I got a nice blanket underneath it, and it's easy to work. So you have all these little press tabs. So you're going to push in on the tab and push that through and go all the way across. Okay, and then we're going to do the same to the top. Top push pin, push down. So I just took a small screwdriver to help push down, and then you can tap it out a little bit. Okay. All right, so now all the tabs are pulled. I'm just going to pull on this grill and lift it up. So now we have the grill off. The emblem comes off separately, and you can replace that. So we're going to flip it over. So there's 2 spring plastic push pins that hold that in, and the long ears right here. So if you take your thumb and push this way and push it out, you can clear it like that. And do the same to this side. There we go. Now we can tilt it and lift this emblem right off. Now we're going to pop our new grille in the bumper cover. This is the lower part. The license plate goes on the bottom half. And you want to see that cutout dip that goes right above that. You're going to line all these tabs up with the little cutouts and then push it in until it clicks. Sometimes you might hear a click like that. Do that all the way around. Once it's all in, it's ready to be installed. We're going to grab the bumper, lift it up. Top side of the bumper cover has these brackets that the headlight goes on the back side of the headlight bracket. This little pin right here, we're going to slide it into the bumper cover and it's going to snap on, just like that. And then we're going to bolt this with one of the bolts that we took off. Do the same to the other side. That's a 10mm socket. Find that seam, pop it in. Do the same to the other side. There are 4 screws with a Phillips head on them, and they put this corner splash guard snug up to the bumper bottom. Do the same to the other side. Make sure the shield is under the bumper. You don't want the bumper on the outside. Put our first body clip in. Put your hand up on the top. And then go around and do all the body clips. Now inside the fender well, where the tire is, you'll see that one bolt right here. One on both sides. So you'll line it up, 10mm socket. Now we can put our top shield in. Go right under that handle for that hood release. Line up your holes and get all your plastic body pins. Line them up, snap them down into place. There's 8 total. Putting the longer plastic body clips on the front. Line up all your pins. And then just push it on until it clicks. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.